Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 40. Today I want to show you how to recording 4K 60 FPS videos on based on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and another. On the official camera from Samsung, you can only recording 5 minutes of 60 FPS or 4K, okay, on 4K videos. This is not beautiful for me. Look at that. You can configure it on your phone like that to 60 FPS, and you can recording only, let me to show you, you can recording only 5 minutes. Look at that, 5 minutes of 4K videos. This is not great for me. This is not great. Today I want to show you how to recording a beautiful videos with your beautiful camera with more than 5 minutes. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Now go on settings. Okay, go on home page. I recommend you to go on the internet and download this on Google. Download LG camera is free on Google. You can download. Okay, when it's download, under this video you can see a beautiful note. Okay, the note where you will choose. Let me to show you. Let's go. Let's see. Best camera. Okay, this note is here. Always. Hello. This note is here. Okay, under this video you will see this note. Before doing this, let's test this camera. Let's open firstly this LG camera. Okay, like that. Okay, you can see here this application was okay, thank you. Okay, now click on settings, and on settings you can see more information for you, beautiful information for you. And when you go on settings on video, you can see this configuration. They're ready to 4K videos, and you can also see here video frame rate. Look at that. You can put on 60 FPS. Let's enable video stabilization. Maybe not supported. Okay, no problem. Let's test to see if it's good, if it's recording to 4K video. Look at this inscription. What is this? You can see tap here to still screen. Okay, it's good now. Is on full screen. I like it. You can see here in front of you many informations for you. You can see here 30 FPS. Let's go to change videos. Change again. Frame rate 60 FPS. Video stabilization, wonderful. And you can see you can also change the bit rate if you want. You can select also 100 megabytes. I recommend you to let this like that, but you can see here, let me show you. You can see here many information for you, like Can you see 60 fps here? Let me show you 60 fps here. Okay, you can record in. Now let's test this. Okay, let's test this to see if it's working really. Okay, this is my first test. As you see, record video fail. Okay, now let's close this application and take this beautiful note, copy, and let's open again this beautiful LG camera and go on settings to this and click on edit script. Okay, select all and paste the things the note that you have copy before. Under this video, the link is here. You can copy this note and create a note. Click on apply if it's done. All right, now let's see if it's working. Recording video fail. Okay, let's see why. Settings, videos, and do this to try to see. Okay, files again. Let's see again. Okay, when you put on 60 fps recording, this is 30 fps recording successfully, but let's see if it's working. Videos, okay, 60 fps. Okay, let's test this. Fail. Why? I don't know. All right. Okay. Okay, it's working on the S9 Plus, but here not working.